Cool, so now that you've created your token, project, or meme coin, we're going to create a liquidity pool on Uniswap V2, one of the most popular decentralized cryptocurrency exchanges, or DEX. So anybody in the world can buy it. So what Uniswap does is it allows liquidity providers to add their token with a pair such as ETH, so that people who want to buy the token with ETH can do so, and people who want to sell the token can sell it for ETH. And in exchange for providing that liquidity, LPs will receive 0.3% of all trading fees, so let's go ahead and do that. Now the first thing we want to do is go to uniswap.org, and the best thing to do is type it in yourself, uniswap.org. You could also use a trusted link from a reputable source such as X, or from when you saved it to your favorites to avoid clicking on a scam link. So we're going to go ahead and launch app, which defaults to the swap page, but we're going to go to pool, and we're going to create a new position. We're going to use V2 pool, and we're going to add V2 liquidity. My pair is going to be ETH on one side and Space Spaghetti on the other side. Now the best way to find my token is to go back to Team.finance and copy the contract address. This is my Space Spaghetti token. I'm going to copy the address, go back to Uniswap, paste it in the search box here, and it'll recognize my token right away. So now I'm going to provide the initial liquidity for my Space Spaghetti liquidity pool, and I want the initial price to be around 32 cents. Now there's no perfect answer to what the correct price should be for your token, but you can start with the market cap. So for this example, I want my token to have a $320,000 market cap. You or your team should decide on what percentage of the initial liquidity you are going to provide. If I were to supply 10% of the initial liquidity, I would have to supply 100,000 Space Spaghetti tokens, as well as 10 ETH, around $32,000. Generally speaking, investors will prefer that you provide a large share of the total supply as initial liquidity, because it gives them more security that the token price won't be driven to zero in the near future. For this example, I'm going to supply a very small amount, say 20 SPAG, as well as 0.002 ETH. And that'll give me the exchange rate, how many SPAG per ETH, as well as how many ETH per SPAG. And if you do the math, you'll see that it's around 32 cents per SPAG token. So now I'm going to go ahead and approve the transaction. I'm going to approve the spend request on MetaMask. And click on supply. You can review how much SPAG you're depositing, as well as how much ETH. You can review the exchange rate, and I will initially have 100% of the pool. All I need to do now is check my fees and confirm the transaction on MetaMask. Alright, and that's it. I'm going to go ahead and close this. And there we go. You can see all the details on my liquidity pool. Okay, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.